everyone, this is Jody, and today I'm going to be decorating my April month at a glance in my Big Happy Planner. And I'm just going to use some stickers from this sticker book that I picked up at Walmart. And I just wanted to use these here just to, they're kind of like, this says praise the Lord, rejoice in Him, God will bless you. And I just wanted to do those since it's Easter on the 1st. I'm going to go ahead and start with this one that says all the nice things about faith. Okay. There we go. I'm going to bring it all the way over to just before the April. There. All right. And then I've got this one with the keys on it, and it matches that one. I think it came with it. I'm just going to do this in between the days. And I'll just continue on to the next side where it cuts off. Oops. Let's see. Just going to that line. Just so that it's a continuous design going straight across. Oops. It's nice to use the different washes that I have. I have a different setup how I'm storing them, so it's much easier to see them. So it just, you know, I have access to them, you know, quickly instead of having to dig through boxes. So a lot better. That one that side I keep getting it crooked. So let's see. I'm gonna try that one again. I want it to line up, so I don't want to tear the washi, so let's see. All right. That's better. And then I will do, let's see, we'll do this at the top. I'm going to cut it so that it starts, or maybe I'll put it over by the notes. This says, sing praise to the Lord. All right, line it up nice, Jody. Trying to see where the dots are underneath it so I can get a nice straight line. Is that right? Yep, that's better. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my stickers and just see what I want to use. Let's see. I'm going to use this one. It says, today is a good day for a good day. I'll put this down here to kind of cover up that a little bit, where it had that saying down there. Let's see. Let you see what they look like as well. I'll use this washi here. Oh, nope, it's not going to come back off there like that. And I'll use this one underneath this. Okay, I'm just going to cut it with my washi cutter here. I'm going to put the rest of it to the side to see if I want to use it for something else. This says make today amazing. So I will add it over here. Okay, this says sparkle. I'm going to add that there. Just going to add them randomly wherever I want them. see if I can get this so you guys can see the whole picture of what I'm doing. This one just says beautiful with some flowers, really pretty. I'll add that over here. Like I've said many, many times, I use this for my work, so I don't like to have the spaces filled in. I can't anyway. So I just like to decorate some and just see what I come up with. Got some of these little stickers here, so I'm gonna just add some bling. There's a little diamond here. Put a few of those around. A star, just to use the small stickers. Oh, that one folded over. There we go. Here's an umbrella. Very cute little umbrella sticker. Go. Put that over here. Another star. Here's a coffee. A little coffee. I'll put that one over here. Coffee over here. Another star. That one there. I'm going to put this little one here, this sticker, and it says I got this. I'm going to add this over here. See if I got any more like those ones. Oh, here's some more stars and diamonds, smaller ones. Just add some more color. This says good things. I will add that over here. Sweet, relax. This one says good things. Let's see. I'll put this over here. It says smile. I'll put this, let's see, I need to find, I can put that here. This one says you got this. And let's see, I'll put this one over here. Oh, I got it, that one over there, so let's see, I'll put this one here. And then I'm just gonna put like the diamond or the star by each day of the week. A little pink star. And get it to come off the paper. Actually, I have a brown star. Come on. There we go. Got a blue heart. Got a hashtag. Got a flower. I've got another star. It's like an open star. And then let's see, I'll put this other heart by Saturday. And then I'm going to put very important underneath this here. I'll lift up my little coffee there. Not that it's not about the coffee, it's about work, so. So there we go. I think that is going to be it for this layout. Sorry guys, that made some noise there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in my planner. You find where it goes. That's May. Let's see. over here. Okay, that's March. Okay, I guess it goes here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. Okay, so that is my April month at a glance and my big happy planner. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.